How to fix file not supported on CapCut PC desktop. So if you want to fix your file not supported on your CapCut PC desktop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with the file which is not supported. So simply select the file. For example, if this file is not supported, then what you need to do is just change the file, rename it. So right click on it and then go with rename option. And then you need to rename it as a file which is supported. So if you don't know which file is supported on your CapCut, then you just need to simply go with your browser and search for supported files on your CapCut. And here it will give you the information, which is CapCut's supported files as an input include 3GP, FLV, MP4, M4V, and everything, right? So you just need simply convert your file to any one of these. And once you've converted, then you can drag and drop to your CapCut and it will work. So that's how you can fix your file not supported on your CapCut PC on your desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.